Dear students, today I will help you understand two questions and both are very important. First question is, how did Magad emerge as the most powerful Mahajanpad? Explain. Okay, it is even question. So for explaining this, there is clear cut answer. What is that? Listen carefully. Magad emerged as the most powerful Mahajanpad as it conquered the territories of other Mahajanpad. Matrimonial alliances with daughters of other rulers was also a step towards expanding power. ठीक है, मगध जनपद मोस्ट पावरफुल इसलिए हुआ सबसे पहले तो वो डिफरेंट टेरिटरीज को एरिया को कॉन्कर्ड कर लिया, जीत लिया, अपने में मिला लिया. एंड सेकेंड रीज़न ये है कि मैट्रिमोनियल मैरिज रिलेशंस और मैट्रिमोनियल अलायंसेस के थ्रू डिफरेंट रूलर्स की जो बेटियां थी, डॉटर्स थी, उनसे शादी करके अपने पावर को एक्सपेंड किया, फैलाया. ओके, सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन अगेन. हाईलाइट द 4 फीचर्स ऑफ द गन संघ्स. ठीक, गन संघ हम लोग पढ़े, गन संघ्स और रिपब्लिक्स दैट एग्जिस्टेड इन 600 to 100 बिफोर कॉमन एरा. ओके, सो अगेन द आंसर इज वेरी सिंपल फॉर इट. व्हाट इज इट? We know there were four गन संघ्स. ठीक है, एग्जाम्पल क्या है हमारे पास? लिच्छवी ऑफ वैशाली है, साक्य ऑफ कपिल वस्तु है, वज्जी ऑफ मिथिला है एंड मल्ला ऑफ पावा है. ठीक है, तो गन संघ का फीचर्स we need to explain that. So for that purpose we need to understand that the rulers in गन संघs were chosen by the people. First point. ठीक, the rulers of the this गन संघs or republic were chosen by the people. That is the first point. After that, the office of the ruler was not hereditary. यानी राजा के बाद राजा नहीं चुना राजा के बाद उसका बेटा राजा नहीं बन रहा था, बल्कि उसको पब्लिक चूज कर रही थी. 2 फीचर्स आए हैं. इसके बाद क्या है? There was an assembly in each republic. Third point, it made laws. Fourth point, and fifth, the Raja or king was its head. Okay, so these are 5 points of the गन संघs, feature of the गन संघs. Okay, let's see one more question which is important again. What can be? Explain the administrative system of Magad rulers. E3 question it is. Explain the administrative system of the Magad rulers. Okay, for this what we need to do, administrations we need to see here. So what is it? The first, the king was the supreme head. It is quite clear. Okay, he became very strong and enjoyed vast power. He was also the head of the army and led the wars. It was features or things about the ruler. Okay, but main thing is that he was helped by Mahamatra or Mahamantri, which is called, and there are different mantris also, ministers also, like Sena Nayak, which is chief of the army. Okay, after that Sangrahitri, the person who was doing sangrah yani ikhatta karna, so treasurer. After that Purohit, okay, priest, witches, and Gramini, head of the village. And state level के लिए what was the person? Who was the person? आयुक्त. ठीक, तो state level पे आयुक्स were there. So these were the administrative things about Magad. And after that, this is all about the Magad. Okay.